Struggling with your Verizon Fios remote? Try these 6 quick fixes now. Step 1. Check the batteries. Open the compartment and inspect the cells. Replace old batteries with fresh AA or AAA cells and reseal the cover. Step 2. Power cycle the Fios box. Unplug the power for 30 seconds. Plug it back in, wait for full reboot, then test the remote again. Step 3. Repair the remote using the on-screen pairing instructions from the box. Step 4. Test IR and volume. Point directly at the TV and adjust volume. Use a phone camera to confirm the IR blink if the TV doesn't respond. Step 5. Perform a factory reset on the remote or the Fios box if needed. Backup settings, follow the reset prompts, and allow the system to restart. Step 6. Contact Verizon support with your remote model and device logs if unresolved. Quick recap: batteries, power cycle, repair, test IR, factory reset, then support. Thanks for watching.